Are you tired of missing critical Salesforce notifications because you can't find where to add your mobile number? Learn how to set it up in under 2 minutes. I'll walk you through the exact steps: accessing your profile, finding the mobile settings, and entering your number with the correct country code. First, click on your profile icon in the top right corner to open the drop-down menu. Then, select Settings from that menu to access your personal settings. Now, scroll down the Settings page until you see the Mobile section. In the Mobile Number field, type in your mobile number. Make sure to include your country code so the number is formatted correctly. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. That's it! You've added your mobile number. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.